Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing a collaborative writing technique called card sorting. Card sorting, in the world of collaborative writing, there are many different types of elicitation techniques that are used. These techniques are used to collect data for various areas, such as anthropology, education, management, psychology, and pretty much just for anything that needs to have data collected. Either maybe the system has a problem, needs to be fixed, or maybe it's outdated, needs to be updated so we can improve it, or maybe we need to create something new. And we can use any of these techniques to gather the information that we need to create the new system. So some of the techniques that are available to collaborative writing and to gathering information are interviews, where we sit down and talk to people about the stuff. Questionnaires are sent out to people to gather information that way. Card sorting, which this video is about. People sit down and they put cards together to see how the system's supposed to put it together. And of course, there are many other ways to gather data. So in the card sorting elicitation technique, well, what is card sorting? Well, here's a bad example of card sorting. This is a game of solitaire, which is technically card sorting. You're taking the cards that are all jumbled up and putting them all in their suits. But this is not a collaborative writing technique. So what is card sorting? Well, authors Zauge and Callan, from their article Requirements of Elicitation, a survey of techniques, approaches, and tools, define card sorting as requiring stakeholders to sort a series of cards containing the names of domain entities into groups according to their own understanding. So in this image down at the bottom, we see two gentlemen standing around a table with what looks to be like a lot of cards to sort. And there is directions on all the cards and how to sort them all together. And they can be sorted as a group or individuals. And Wikipedia describes card sorting as a relatively low-tech approach to gathering data. They also say that the person conducting the test identifies the concepts for the problem and then writes those concepts down on index cards or post-it notes. And as we a little bit earlier, the test subjects are usually individuals or groups. And they arrange the cards to represent how they think the structure of the relationship of the information should go together. And of course, it came from wikipedia.org. Another place that discusses card sorting is the International Journal of Reviews in Computing. And they describe card sorting in this way. The card sorting technique, the customer provides a set of cards. And then on those cards is all the information that the test subject needs to put them in order. And then the customer also provides the criteria that the test subject will need in order to make the card sorting possible. So as with most anything, we have advantages and disadvantages of card sorting. The advantage of card sorting is that it provides prioritization, which lets us know how things are supposed to go from start to finish. It also shows how much the customer may know about the problem. The customer come up with the cards, customer put it together, the test subject puts the cards down, but it doesn't really go towards the problem, then the customer may not know enough about the problem to have it fixed or to have it designed. And we have some disadvantages. Disadvantages, it requires a lot of knowledge about the problem in order to put the cards together. Group work is easier because it doesn't need that much information. And then finally, if the cards are too complex, they can be confusing or difficult to sort all that stuff together. we have an example video of card sorting that I made with my wife. I was a customer, so I designed the cards, and I gave my wife the criteria. We are going to sort the cards from as if the computer was turned off to create a Microsoft Word document with a 12-point Times New Roman font. Then we're going to save it, select where we're going to save it, turn off Word, and turn the computer off. So here's our video. So in conclusion, card sorting is used to see how much the customer or the stakeholders know about the problem or the thing that they want to create. It is a collaborative writing elicitation, which is used to gather data. As Wikipedia pointed out, it's a low-tech approach to gathering data. The customer creates the cards, and the customer provides a criteria in which the cards are to be sorted. An advantage of card sorting is that it provides prioritization, and a disadvantage is if the cards are too complex, it may be difficult or confusing for the test subject to sort the cards the way the customer wishes. So in our references, we used Requirements Elicitation, a survey of techniques, approaches, and tools by Zawicki and Cowan, Wikipedia card sorting, and the International Journal of Reviews in Computing. Hope you enjoyed our video on card sorting. Help me understand a little bit better, and we'll see you next time. Bye.